Okay, so it's the first of the month and we literally have 4 months into the year. So this is what's been, I'm going to share something with you guys. Okay. So we've been asking God to do a thing in our life. But God says, you have not been focused. You have not kept your eyes on the prize. You have allowed people and situations to distract you from what I promised you. And God is saying, in this season, He needs for you to get so focused, so tunnel focused, that it will get to a point in your life, it will get to a place, you will get to a place in your life where you will start to let people go, let situations go. And then you will get to a point, those people that you did not let go, those situations that you did not let go, you're going to start to basically, help me, Lord God. You're going to basically set boundaries for those individuals. Look, we can only do X, Y, and Z. This person is a person I can only pray with. This person is a person I can only get money with. This person is a person I can only, share something with. You'll know where not to cross the line because your focus will be on your purpose, on what God promised you. And let me just say this. When you're moving through those phases where you're letting people go, where you're setting boundaries for people, those people that you let go, those people that you set boundaries, that situation that you let go, that situation that you set boundaries for, they're going to wonder, they're going to look at you and be like, okay, she tripping, he tripping. Oh, he ain't got nothing to do with me. Oh, he think he's better than me, or she thinks she better than me. They're going to start to wonder, like, what's wrong with you? Don't worry about it, because now you could be in a season that you're running by yourself. It's fine. You're running by yourself in your lane that you're creating. Even though you may be in an environment where everything may be saturated, you're running in a lane by yourself. Don't worry about the people you dropped off. Don't worry about the people you set boundaries for, because this next chapter of your life, those people cannot go with you. You already know that. You know, once you get to that level, this person can't go with me because they won't be able to handle it. If they go with me, they may take advantage of me. You may know that. You may recognize, no, I don't want to bring this type of energy into what God has for me. And you should be so clear on your purpose now that you're not going to let nobody, no one, no situation come in and stop it, because your life depends on it. Let me just say that your life depends on that. You do not want to leave this earth and not walk into your purpose. God placed you on this earth for a reason, to walk into your purpose. Do not hold on to what God gave you. Your purpose is your gift. Use your gift. Once God sees you start using your gift, God knows, okay, I trust you with that little. Now I can bless you with more. That's why when you see people doing something time after time after time, and you may be saying, dang, she's still out doing it. She's still selling Herbalife. She's still selling Herbalife. But what you don't know is, I'm building my team. I'm building my team. People see you still doing something. Don't worry about them. Let them talk. Let them say, oh, dang, she not moving. She's still in the same spot. Don't worry about it, because when God has his hands on you, he'll move you so fast, so speedily. Is that even a word? He'll move you so fast that people will see you go from 0 to 100. They're going to forget about all the in between. They're going to just think, God, you just went from 0 to 100. They're going to be like, dang, all of a sudden. But it wasn't all of a sudden for you. You was going through the process. You was learning. And this is the way I look at it. Just like when I get a haircut, somebody had asked me for two different haircuts in one. I'm like, okay, I know I can do it because I see the vision. They may not see the vision, but I see the vision, versus everybody else that's watching me, because I'm a female and I'm a barber, and they watch, for some reason, they watch the pretty girls harder. They be like, oh, they'll see me go through the process. So they see me debulking. They be like, oh, she done messed up, but they don't see the process. They don't see each step I have to go through. So go through the process. Don't worry about who's for you. Don't worry about what people have to say. If you have to drop people off along the way, drop them off, baby. Because your purpose, your destiny cannot wait. It cannot wait on you no more. There is people that are tied to you. There is a situation that's tied to you. There is a generation. Your generational line, your bloodline is tied to your breakthrough. It's tied to you achieving that next level in your life. So do not let nobody, no one, nothing stop you from that. I refuse to let anybody stop me. And let me just side note, when you're on that journey, the devil knows you so well. The devil knows you so well. He will attack you in the areas that's closest to your heart. So if you're a person that you're so in love and you love your husband, you love your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whatever the situation is, he's going to attack you in that area. You have to be so strong and identify, no, you're not going to get me. You're not going to get my heart. You're not going to because your emotions is your strongest thing. Your emotions is one of the strongest thing in you. If you can't control your emotions, you're just all over the place. But when you can get to a point and you can control your emotions, you identify, wait, that ain't nothing but the enemy. The enemy sees that I'm moving and is going to use this person. You got to remember, it's not that person. It's the enemy's using that person. Don't get mad at that person. Pray for that person. Whatever that thing is in that person that's making them do that, pray for them. Don't hold it against them. But just know, I'm going this way. I'm walking towards my destiny and I'm going to fulfill my destiny, whether this person want to act right or not. Don't worry about it. Even if you have to go alone, keep going. But we got 4 months left. If you haven't been working, it's time to work. Don't worry about who's for you, who's not for you. Stay focused on the prize and put God first. Point blank, period. Stay blessed, stay encouraged, and let's get it. Woo!